Hello everyone and welcome. Today's lesson in English phonic will be abbreviation. What is abbreviation? Abbreviation is the short way of writing a word. Abbreviation usually begin with a capital letter and use period at the end. So this is the way. Doctor, DR and period at the end. The D is always capital, should be capital. So what is abbreviation? Once again, it's a short way to write a word. When we use the abbreviation, we use it with the days of the week. As you can see, mostly you can notice that we take the third three letters in the beginning. We start with the capital, end it with a period. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We start with the capital and end it with the period, a short way of writing a word. Where else we can use it? In the months of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, and July as they are, because they're already short words. July, August, September, October, November, and December. As you notice, we always should start with the capital letter and end it with a period. Abbreviation, a short way to write a word or a title of the name. Also, we use it with the street or an address. For example, if you want to explain the place that we live in. So road will be RD. Start with the capital, end it with a period. Street, ST. So whenever you're going to see the S and the T, you will know that it is the short way of writing the word street, abbreviation. Okay, grade 1. Avenue, AVE, period at the end. Try, TR, period at the end. Okay, title of people. When we call the name of the people, title, what we do when we say, for example, Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, how are we going to write the word Mr? Instead of writing the word, the whole word as it is, the full word, we can use the abbreviation, which is the M and the R, and we add the period at the end, Mr. Smith. So whenever we're going to see this, it means the word Mr. Titles of the people. And Mrs. MRS. Then a period at the end. We should start with a capital letter. MRS. Grade 1, you should memorize them. I need you to focus with what we have actually on the book. Okay, I will show you here later on. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. When we call the lady Mrs. when she is married, so we can call her Mrs. Mrs. Mr. Mrs. And we have the Miss at the end. This one over here, we call the single lady. Miss. MNS. At the end. Title, it comes begin at the first, then we put the last name of the person. In January, Mr. Jones will open his new toy store. Okay, I have 2 words here. We can add the abbreviation. Excellent. January and Mr. Good job. January and Mr. When we see this sentence, we will know that this is January and this is the abbreviation of the word Mr. Okay, grade 1. Don't forget the period and don't forget to start with a capital letter. Mrs. Clove is teaching us about dinosaurs. What is the correct way to write the underlined word in the sentence above? Okay, we want to look at the sentence over here. Mrs. Clove is teaching us about dinosaurs. So this is the word Mrs. What is the abbreviation? Exactly. The correct way of writing it is the first one, MRS, and a period at the end. Okay, grade 1. Let's turn to page 117. Do you see the box over here? I need you to focus with the abbreviations that we have them here, over here. Okay, grade 1. Street, avenue, drive, road. Doctor, Mrs., Miss. As I said, Mrs. to the lady who's married and Miss to the lady who's single. Title of people, address, and also we can use it with the months and we can use it with the days. Write each name of and abbreviation correctly. So I have here the names: Mr. Mark Adams, Dr. Sally Gardner, Miss Amy Smith, Mrs. Mary Johnson. Exactly. Mr. Capital M and end with a period. Perfect. Doctor, capital D and end with a period. Miss, good job. Should be with capital M and end with a period. Mrs. Well done. We do have the period over here, but exactly should start with the capital letter. Write each address using an abbreviation. Okay, great one. Let's do this. 245 Oak Street. We have the word street, the address. What are we going to do? How are we going to write it down? Good job, exactly. SNT, capital S, and we're going to add the period. 563 Hell Avenue. Exactly. AVE and a period at the end, and we start with the capital letter. 749 Wilson Drive. Good job, Rick. The word drive, DR with a period. 322 Valley Road, the word road, short way of writing it, RT, the period at the end. Okay, grade 1, you're doing a perfect job. What I want you to do is focus with the address that we have here at the top and the title of peoples. Okay, we always start with a capital and end it with a period. Mrs. to the lady who's married and Miss to the lady who's a single. Okay, doctor, street, avenue, drive, road. Okay, grade 1, thank you so much. You did a great job. See you later.